In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an AWS AMI, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Now, if you find yourself with unused AMIs taking up space, or if you need to clean up your resources, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to the AWS Management Console. This is your command center for all things AWS, and the hub where you'll manage your resources, including AMIs. Once there, you'll need to log into your AWS account. It's a straightforward process if you haven't logged in before. Just use your credentials to access your account dashboard. Make sure your login details are handy, and for added security, ensure you're entering them on the genuine AWS website. After logging in, it's time to navigate to the Amazon EC2 console. Here's a quick tip. You can find it by either searching for EC2 in the Services menu or by spotting it directly on the homepage, depending on your setup. Once inside the EC2 console, look to the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. This is your go-to panel for accessing different resources within EC2. You'll see a section labeled Images. Go ahead and click on AMIs under that heading. Now, you should be staring at a list of all your AMIs. These are the Amazon machine images you've created or have access to. Identifying the specific AMI you want to delete is critical, as this process is irreversible. Carefully select the AMI in question. Once selected, look for the Actions button at the top of the page. This is where you'll be able to manage your image. Clicking on Actions will reveal a drop-down menu. You'll see an option labeled Deregister AMI. Selecting that will trigger the process to delete your AMI. It's important to note here that deregistering an AMI removes it from your account, but if you have any associated snapshots, those will remain and need to be deleted separately if you don't need them anymore. Before completing the deletion, AWS will prompt you with a confirmation pop-up window. This step is designed to ensure that you're absolutely certain about removing the AMI. Double-check that you've selected the correct image, then confirm the action in the pop-up window. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an AWS AMI. Remember, keeping your AMIs organized and removing any unnecessary ones can help improve your resource management and minimize costs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other AWS guides.